Sorry for locking us out. What a beautiful house. I would show you, but I locked myself out. I didn't realize I couldn't close the door. Look at this. It's 5 a.m. It's beautiful. It's paradise. We have no monies either. I deposited money that cleared on Monday. Today is Thursday. I used TD Bank and Charles Schwab, which are the same bank. It cleared on Monday. I called. Not there. I went on an ATM. Didn't work. No money. So that's fun. Apparently it clears on the 29th, which is tomorrow. Let's hope it's the start of day 29. But until then, we have a yogurt. We have nothing right now. Nothing. We're kind of hoping this guy would just hook it up. And listen, if we're hungry today and we can't get to a restaurant, this guy has a restaurant and I'll just open a tab. I'm living on $26 USD, baby. So we have heard the words on the street is that there's monkeys. I can't wait to see that. That'll be cool. But yeah, this is our humble abode. I promise you we did actually pay for it, but I can't show you until we get inside. What? Bulls? Holy shit. That's amazing. This is like Jurassic Park. Are they just wild bulls? Somebody owns it? What? What? Not every Costa Rican lives like this. When we were driving through the town, we saw a lot of... Oh shit. So there's either 2 or 3 of these homes on this property, including his, I guess. And I think that might be one of them. Not sure. Yeah, so this is a giant compound. They own all this land. I approve. I think anybody who goes to Costa Rica should have a full-on jungle experience. And this was only $50 a night. Pretty good. Yeah, so $50 a night. I think we paid, after fees and taxes, $153 for 3 nights. So it probably was under $50 a night. We are in the rainy season right now. It's September something, 28. And it doesn't look too rainy to me. But boy, was it rainy when we got here. It was pouring when we got here. I think it's just something you gotta get used to, because the locals, well, they'll just ride their motorbike and they'll just walk in torrential downpour. The streets are packed, and yeah, it gets kind of crazy. That is until you get out of the city and into the jungle. It gets a little less crazy. But I'll tell you what, everybody drives 25 miles an hour here, which is takes some getting used to, you know, seeing 18 miles, and it's still going to take you 45 minutes, which is insane. But, pura vida, I hope I said that right, you know, good life, good living, or whatever they say. Huh? Pure life. They even have a Pure Life Whopper. Did you know that? Yeah, they really... You know what? The McDonald's offerings too. I don't know about Burger King, but we went to McDonald's. We couldn't order anything because we didn't have any money. But we went to McDonald's and checked out what they had, and honestly, the offerings seem pretty good. I think Thailand, right? Something like Taiwan or Thailand offers a burger with 9 slices of uncooked cheese. It's nothing like that. They had a bacon cheese Whopper with like 3 slices of cheese. I don't know. It's pretty good. Looks pretty good. The prices are not as cheap as I expected them to be. It's more like America, you know. Maybe the McDonald's prices are, $1 less, but $2 empanada, pretty much par for the course. For some reason, I was expecting cheaper in Central America, but this is the most expensive country in Central America, so now I understand why. So once we get this door open, I'll give you guys a tour. But until then, this is where we'll be. It's 5 a.m., but it's beautiful. I thought we'd catch the sunrise, but I guess the sunrise doesn't come.
But it's very foggy.
Yeah. She saved us. We now have an open door. You have the key, right? So anyway, this is our humble abode. Look at this Spanish tile. What is this? Costa Rican tile, you think? But these tiles match. These tiles, kinda. I guess not really. But look how fucking beautiful this is. A black toilet. Look at that. So when you pee, you can't even see nothing. We have a pretty nice shower, but electric water heater is something to get used to. I do understand why they have this thing, because if we had the water pressure we have in America, this whole entire floor would be soaked. But it's got a little rustic charm to it. The bed, biggest bed I ever seen. I don't even know what kind of bed this is. This is bigger than California King, that's for sure. Or maybe it is a California King. But, pretty good. Oh yeah, breakfast. We got this thing. It lasted in the car for at least an hour and a half. But it's essentially a liter full of Danimals, which for someone like this is amazing. So we have a liter of Danimals and 2.5 liters of tropical iced tea to live off of. Yeah, so this is home for the next, what do we got, 2 more nights? And then we live in the bougie high life. We're going on floor 19, we got a pool. I don't have a bathing suit, but we got a pool and a really swanky room with a super comfy bed, it looks like. Full kitchen. But before we did that, I wanted to live in the jungle for a little bit.
In the province of Cartago.
Yeah, an hour and a half from the city. It was about 2 hours from the airport. We're only talking about like 30 miles. It was only like 30, 40 miles away. It wasn't even that bad. But yeah, they don't have like freeways or anything outside of the city. And the freeways they do have in the city, they're still only going 35 miles an hour. No adapter needed for the electric. They use the same plugs we do, which is good. Yeah, I think that's about it. I mean, until we have more things to do, signing off. Bye.
Love the flowers.
That's some of the biggest bamboo I've ever seen. I don't know. No, I'm gonna shut the gate. Because you need the keys to start the car. Yeah, smart.
Okay.
Sick.
Miles. Turn left on Ruta 416, Ruinas de Ujares.